Ever pondered about the complex process that leads to the creation of life? Our journey begins with the male reproductive system, a marvel of nature's design. Nestled within the scrotum are the testes, two small but mighty organs responsible for the production of sperm. These are not just ordinary cells but vessels of life, each carrying half the genetic blueprint to create a potential human being. Once produced, the sperm travel through a series of tubes, undergoing a transformation to gain the ability to fertilize an egg. This journey, though short in distance, is monumental in its importance. So next time you think about the miracle of life, remember the crucial role played by the male reproductive system. These microscopic cells, each carrying half the genetic blueprint for a potential human being, embark on an incredible journey. While the male system is busy producing millions of sperm, the female reproductive system has its own unique role. It's a meticulously designed system that prepares for the potential of new life each month. The star of the show here is the ovary. This small, almond-shaped organ has a crucial responsibility: to release a mature egg every month. This process, known as ovulation, takes place roughly in the middle of the menstrual cycle. The mature egg, or ovum, then makes its way down the fallopian tube where it might meet a sperm cell. This egg carries half the genetic blueprint required to create a new human being, just like the sperm. It's an incredible process, a dance of nature that happens without us even knowing. This mature egg, also carrying half the genetic blueprint, is ready and waiting for the possibility of fertilization. The stage is set, the players are ready. Now the real magic begins. The process of fertilization is like a meticulously choreographed dance. Millions of sperm are released, but only the strongest and most determined will reach the mature egg released by the female's ovary. This happens in a slender passageway called the fallopian tube. The successful sperm must penetrate the outer layers of the egg. Upon this victorious entry, the cell membranes of the sperm and egg merge. At this point, the genetic material from both parents combines and voila, a zygote is formed. This single cell, smaller than a grain of salt, has a big destiny. It contains all the genetic information necessary to create a unique individual. The stage of life as a zygote is short but pivotal. It's the start of a remarkable journey of growth and development. This single cell, the zygote, contains all the genetic information necessary to create a unique individual. The zygote now embarks on its own journey, one that will transform it into a fully formed human baby. As it nestles into the uterine wall, the zygote begins to divide and grow, developing into an embryo in the first few weeks. This process is much more than simple multiplication of cells. It's a carefully orchestrated dance of life, as the cells differentiate into specific roles, forming the basis of the baby's organs, body systems, and features. By the end of the first month, the embryo is about the size of a small grain of rice, but it already has a beating heart. Over the next few weeks, it continues to grow and develop at an extraordinary pace. The neural tube, which becomes the brain and spinal cord, starts to form. The beginnings of the digestive and respiratory systems emerge. The eyes and ears start to develop and tiny buds appear that will grow into arms and legs. By the 8th week, the embryo becomes a fetus. At this stage, the baby's organs and systems continue to mature. The face starts to take shape, fingers and toes form, and the baby's movements become more noticeable. As the months pass, the fetus grows larger and stronger until it's ready for birth. The mother's body undergoes significant changes to accommodate and nurture the growing baby. The uterus expands, the blood volume increases, and hormones surge, all to support the life growing inside. Finally, after about 40 weeks, the baby is ready for birth. This marks the end of gestation and the beginning of a new phase of life outside the womb. The process is intense and demanding, but the reward is the arrival of a new life, a baby, a unique individual with the potential to grow, learn, and contribute to the world. After an extraordinary 9-month journey, a new life is ready to enter the world, a testament to the miracle of human reproduction.